How to grow succulents, care tips and benefits. Succulents are some of the easiest and most rewarding plants to grow. They require minimal maintenance and can thrive both indoors and outdoors. Let's dive into how to grow succulents, care for them properly, and the benefits they bring to your home. How to grow succulents. 1. Choose the right succulent. Popular options include aloe vera, jade plant, echeveria, and snake plant. Select a variety that suits your indoor or outdoor space. 2. Use well-draining soil. Succulents hate sitting in water, so use a cactus or succulent mix. You can also mix regular potting soil with sand or perlite to improve drainage. 3. Plant in proper containers. Use pots with drainage holes to prevent root rot. Terracotta or ceramic pots are great because they allow air circulation. 4. Provide the right light. Succulents love bright, indirect sunlight. Place them near a sunny window or in a well-lit area. 5. Water sparingly. Only water when the soil is completely dry. In summer, water once every 1-2 weeks. In winter, reduce watering to once a month. 6. Maintain proper temperature and humidity. Succulents thrive in warm temperatures. 60-80 degrees or 15 to 27 degrees. Keep them away from cold drafts or excessive humidity. Care tips for succulents. Avoid overwatering. The most common mistake is watering too frequently. Always check if the soil is dry before watering. Rotate your plants. Turn them occasionally to ensure even growth. Fertilize occasionally. Use a diluted succulent fertilizer once a month during the growing season, spring and summer. Remove dead leaves. This helps prevent pests and keeps the plant looking fresh. Benefits of succulents in your home. 1. Improve air quality. Succulents, like aloe vera and snake plant, purify the air by removing toxins. 2. Low maintenance. They require minimal watering and care, making them perfect for busy people. 3. Boost mood and productivity. Studies show that having greenery indoors reduces stress and increases focus. 4. Enhance home decor. Their unique shapes and colors add beauty to any space. 5. Help with humidity control. Some succulents release moisture, which can help balance indoor humidity. 6. Medicinal benefits. Aloe vera can be used for burns, skincare, and minor cuts. By following these tips, you can enjoy healthy, thriving succulents that bring beauty and benefits to your home. Happy gardening!